Periodontal maintenance is once you've had periodontal disease, gum disease, gingivitis, periodontitis, it's maintaining or improving it so you don't get it again. And that prevention piece is such an important part of my practice. Most of the time when there's a gum or periodontal problem, cleanings are every 3 months and oftentimes alternating between our practice and your general dentist to make sure that everything is maintained so there's no recurrence of disease.